Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of NFTMintrz. And what we're looking at here is what the members areas looks like, and we're going to come back to this because this is the actual demo video that we'll go through in just a couple of minutes. First, let's get over to my bonus page where I want to talk about this and this industry a little bit more, and also tell you about my bonuses and what this will cost you today. So from YouTube, go ahead and click underneath this video where it says get my exclusive bonuses and mentors here. Click on that link and it'll take you to this very page right here. So NFTMintrz, a new 3-in-1 NFT system. It pays us $169 to $500 per day. First time user making 4 figures in as little as 24 hours. What is it about? You know, making money online is great, but what's even better is helping ordinary people like you and me profit online. We've taught over 100,000 students from all around the world, and I understand the sheer urgency for results, which is why I'm excited to show you how we're receiving $169 to $500 payments every 30 minutes by tapping into the $21.33 billion NFT industry with just a click of the button, by creating not one, rather 3 different sources of income related to NFTs in just one click. You know, autopilot income for us all day long. So let me give you a glimpse of the 3 income sources. We make money from NFTs. Source number 1 is the Mint NFT. That's where you design, create, and sell unlimited NFTs. Source number 2 is your own done-for-you NFT agency. We make money offering an NFT design service on our secret platforms where thousands are looking for such NFT design services. And number 3, source of income, your own done-for-you NFT affiliate site. We activate done-for-you NFT site, which generates passive crypto profits. Okay, and so literally, you just 3 clicks from start making money with NFTMintrz. Step number 1 is to choose the design template or create from scratch. Step number 2, customize your NFT. Step number 3, get paid in 3 different ways. So let's go over and go through this demo video here, and it'll give you a real good idea of what it's about.
Hello, welcome to this amazing video. And today I'm going to show you how you can get a first mover advantage in the fastest growing $21 billion NFT market with the world's first 3-in-1 NFT hub. Now, it's no longer news that people are cashing out with NFT, making thousands of dollars on a daily basis just by selling images, art, and music online. Now it's your turn to start making money with NFT as well, using our brand new tool called NFTMintrz. Now, NFTMintrz is a 3-in-1 NFT system that allows you to get paid between $169 to $500 per day from 3 NFT income sources. So I'm going to show you how this powerful software works in few minutes. So the first thing you need to do is to log in to your account. Okay, so here is the NFTMintrz dashboard, as you can see. So I'm going to give you a glimpse of the 3 income sources where we make money from NFT. So here is the menu on the left hand side. So the first one is the Nft Creator. This is actually where you create your own NFT images or art in few minutes. And also we have the done for you templates that you can just edit and customize to your taste. So now this is the first income source, which is Mint NFT. This allows you to create and sell unlimited NFTs on the biggest NFT marketplace within minutes. And also we have the second source of income, which is your own done for you NFT agency, which means you can make money offering NFT design services on secret platform where thousands are looking for such NFT design. So you can charge as high as $500 and upward for that kind of service. The last source of income is the NFT affiliate site. These allow you to actually create your own done-for-you NFT sites that generate passive crypto profits without you risking or investing any of your own money. So now let's get started. first thing you need to do is to come to Nft Creator. Okay, so once you're here, you can see you have different options. You can decide to open an existing picture that you want to use, or you can create from scratch, or you can use a sample. So if you want to create from scratch, you click here and then you specify your size. So as you can see, I'm using a sample template. So you can actually create your own from scratch or use a done for you NFT template. So here is one, and I can start customizing it to make it unique. As you can see, this is the image. So I can come to filter. You see, there's so many options that you can use to filter the image. You can customize the image with the filters. You can resize, as you can see. If you click on resize, you can specify the width and the height. You see, you can crop, you can draw, you can add text, you can add shapes. See different shapes here. So I'm going to close that. You see, you can add stickers. You see different type of stickers. You can add doodles. You can create so many things and make it unique. Can you see that? So I'm just going to close this. So in order to make this NFT unique, so all I'm just going to do now is just to come to filters and then click on black and white. Can you see that? Then I can invert. Okay. You see that? I can sharpen it. See how it looks. Then vintage, move vintage. So you can always see. So let's say I'm okay with this, and then I can just click on the apply button. Can you see that? Let's say you want to edit it again. You can click on this. Can you see that? Apply. So we have it. You can see this is different from what we have. So once you're done, you can just download your NFT. Click on done, and it's going to download your image. You can see, so this is the new version. So the next thing we need to do is to mint our NFT. That is, if you want to sell your NFT directly on the biggest marketplace, like I said, OpenSea. So you're going to click on mint NFT. So you can see mint NFT by uploading your NFT to OpenSea marketplace for sale. So you can watch that demo video to show you how to do that. So just click on connect to OpenSea, and it's going to open the OpenSea page. So you need to log in with your wallet. So I normally use MetaMask, so just click on MetaMask. Okay, so once I get to OpenSea, I'll click on create. Then it asks to sign into my account. I click on sign in. So as you can see, now I can mint my NFT. You see the image has been uploaded. I'll give it a name. Okay, that. So put the external link to the image here, and then the description. If there are collections, I'm going to put it there. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the create button to mint my NFT. And then it will be available for sale, and then I can make money when someone buy the NFT. Okay, so the second source of income is actually offering these NFT services on a secret platform where there are thousands of people that want to design NFT art for them. So I'm going to click on done for you service gigs, as you can see. So once you click here, depending on the package that you purchase, you see sample done for you service gigs that you can render on Fiverr. That is, all you have to do is just to download this image, copy the title, and then copy the gig details. Then head over to Fiverr. Create an account. So once you create an account, and once you're done, you log into your account. Once you log into your account, then you can now start creating your own gigs using this done for you service gigs. And you can charge as high as $500 and above per NFT art you want to design for people. So that is the second source of income, as you can see. And the last one is the NFT affiliate site. So this allows you to build your own done for you NFT affiliate site that generates passive cryptos for you. So once you're inside NFTMintrz affiliate site builder, as you can see, you go to video site and you can click on new video site. So it brings you to this page. You give your website a name. So you can name it NFT site. Then website description, welcome to NFT site. Can you see that? Footer, you can put anything in the NFT site, and then you can select your logo. See that? Put your logo, then you come to categories, NFT guide. Can you see that? Then you search for videos. I can search for make money with NFT. You hit the search button. So it's going to bring out tons of videos. Can you see that? So you can add as many videos as possible to your affiliate site. Can you see that? Add as many videos as possible. So once you're done at the end of the day, you can just click on Save Changes. Can you see that? So in case you want to schedule daily video, you can do that here as well. The next thing is to monetize affiliate sites with banner ads. So here you can just select the banner ads. So if you click on ads here, you're going to see, you can see the steps here where to get your affiliate links and the banner ads. So you can copy any of the banner ads that you want to use and add it to your site. So you can see you add as many banner ads as possible here. And once you're done, you click on create video site. So as you can see, in one click, our NFT affiliate site has been created. So you can click on it to view our site. As you can see, these are NFT affiliate sites. You can see the banner. So anytime people trade cryptos on all these platforms, you get your own commission and you get paid without buying or selling anything. So with NFTMintrz, you can make money in 3 different ways. You can mint NFT, you can offer NFT designs on websites like Fiverr, freelance websites, and the likes. You can as well build your own NFT affiliate sites and generate passive crypto income. So this is how NFTMintrz work. Thank you for watching. Bye.
All right. Okay. How'd you like that? So, let us continue here. What is this going to cost you? $19. And this is the early bird price. And that's the first 6 hours of the launch. So starting at 9 a.m. Eastern time on April 28th, for 6 hours, it will be $19. And then it goes to what's called the dime sale. So it'll increase by, some small amount per hour, maybe a penny or something like that. Okay. Now, there are a number of upgrades that are available. I don't have detail on some of them, but basically, you'll know what they are. So you have the upsell number 1, the NFT Unlimited free crypto, and so for $37 on the down sale, and so chances are there might be some limitations to the free version, but for unlimited, you get for $37. Upsell number 2, the done for you version. If you want it done for you, like creating them, the team will create them for you for $197. Automation for $27. Fast cash code for $77. Done for you buyer traffic for $97. Commission maximizer for $27. Mentor 6-figure license rights for $97. Automated 1K profits for $47, and the mega bundle for $27. Like I said, those will be explained when you purchase the front-end version for $19. Okay, and so some benefits to talk about here. Permanent $169 to $500 per days, 1-click activation, 3-in-1 NFT system, makes money nonstop 24/7. 89 beta testers made almost $140,000 with it. An 8-year-old can do it. 100% legal and ethical. Zero design skills or crypto blockchain knowledge is required. Of course, it comes with the money back guarantee. So I have some bonuses for you. And also, I have the demo video that we just went through on my bonus page here. So you can go ahead and bookmark this page and come back and watch that if you need to look through it again. So bonuses that I have for you, being you're into wealth and making some money. Bonus number 1 is investment secrets, words of wisdom from a legendary investor. If you recognize that image there. And so this is my exclusive digital download edition of this, and yours when you pick it up. And bonus number 2, monthly income system. Bonus number 3, affiliate marketing magic. Bonus number 4 is profit force. Okay, and bonus number 5 are the bonuses that NFTMintrz are passing on through me to give to you when you pick up NFTMintrz today. Now, of course, at any time, you can click any of the red banners on my bonus page here to go ahead and get your copy through your secure checkout. This is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. Okay, and let me go ahead and ask at this time, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and do that thumbs up and find that alert bell to stay informed of the latest and greatest. I want to go ahead and take the time to thank you for taking your time to check out my NFTMintrz review, bonuses, and demo. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead of you, and as always, to your success.